Hey guys, today we're going to be using the HTVRONT Hat Press. This hat press was sent to me by HTVRONT, and I want to apologize to them. Since I've been sick, I am behind on so many things, and their video happened to be one of those, and I'm not normally, with my sponsored videos, I am not normally behind. I normally try to keep them up and post them when they ask me to, but I'm just so far behind on everything right now. It's unreal. But anyway, I wanted to show you this. Now, this comes in a very neat box, all packaged very well with styrofoam in there and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to show you the parts that you get. Comes with this part, which is your heat press, your hat press. This little support that you can put down on there, and as you can see, it has holes in it so that it doesn't get anything too hot. Then you can wrap all of this around the plug-in cord, and then this closes right down on there and snaps in place, so it all closes up nice and neat. This is actually your ironing mat for your hat press. So what you do is you take this ironing mat, and it's very thick, and you're going to put it down on here. It's got two little pieces at the end. They're like stretchy, and they hold around the ends like this, so it keeps it down on there nice and tight. Then you're going to take your hat, and you're going to put your hat on, not like this, which is what I thought in the beginning, but you're going to take your hat and you're going to put it at the bottom first, and I usually just unhook it so I can get it on there real well. Unhook the Velcro, and then I get it down on there, and then when I get it in place, then I tighten that Velcro back up so it's nice and tight on there. So you're going to put it down on there like that. Okay. Then you're going to put your image here, and as you can see, this has got a curve in it, so it fits right on that hat like it needs to. Okay, you also get, now the hat did not come with it. I had to purchase the hat separately, but you can get those. You can even get hats sometimes at the dollar store, Dollar Tree, but I got those off of Amazon. I'll link those below, as well as this heat press. You get a bag that everything can go in. So all of the pieces can go in this bag, and you can carry it around if you want. And they also sent me some heat transfer vinyl. This is in a purple glitter. So I'm going to be cutting that on my Cricut, and then I'll show you how we're going to put it on the heat press. So let me go and cut that on my Cricut, and we'll be back and we will heat press this and see what happens. So I have backed my camera out so maybe you can see everything. And I've got my hat here. Now these hats are just from Amazon. They're supposed to be good for sublimation. I am going to take my lint roller and I'm going to roll this, because these hats do have quite a bit of fuzz on them. And your image is not going to stick great if there is fuzz around them, or on them, I should say. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a lot. This is your ironing mat. You got your plastic part here, and this just hooks around these little hooks right here on either end to keep it secure. And then you're going to take your hat, and I'm hoping I'm going to do this correctly. You're going to take your hat and you're going to put it on like this, like you're putting it on somebody's head. And I'm going to loosen this a little bit, and then try to slide it on. Maybe that'll make it better. Now my hats have a little bit of a ridge right here in the middle of them, so they're a little bit different than some of the other ones that you might get. Some of them, you know, you can get hats that are smooth, hats that have the ridge in them. These are just regular baseball cap hats. That's what my bunch likes to wear. Now I'm just working this on there as best I can, trying to get it as secure as possible and no lumps and bumps under there. And then I'm gonna go over it a little bit more, because I saw a little bit more lint on there. Okay, I think I have it on correctly, hopefully. So I have my heat press heated up to 360. And then I have my piece cut here. Now I cut one that's a little bit smaller. You could always make it a little bit larger. And I'm going to stand up so that I can see where to place this, because I'm trying to do this on my desk so that I can have the camera in front of me. I think that might be good right there. See how this hat has a little bit of play right there? We've got that down. I'm going to put some heat transfer tape on here just to give it a little bit extra hold. So when I'm pressing it, maybe it won't slide either way. Hopefully, I've got it on there good enough. Now, we're going to take our hat press. Okay, we're going to place it on here, and I'm going to depress this button where you turn it off and on, and I'm going to hold it just for a few seconds, and it's going to start counting down. And I'm going to put just kind of medium pressure on here since this hat is a little bit lumpy. It has that seam that comes down the middle of it. Just want my vinyl to go on well. It takes the curve of your hat. So we're just going to rub over it a little bit, back and forth. Now, if you're afraid that something's going to come off on here, you can always put a little piece of paper down between it if you want to do that. It does make it slide a little bit better, but either way, I think it will work. So we're almost to the end. Let's see what happens. Now, since I lifted it up a couple of times, I'm just going to go over it a little bit more. Okay. Put it back in here. Now, this is going to be pretty warm. I'm going to let it cool a little bit before I try to peel, just because it's so hot. And I just want to make sure that that vinyl seats down in there. All right, here's the moment of truth. Let's try to peel and reveal. I'm going to go really slow, because if something is not set well, then I can always heat it again. I wanted to do something that I would actually wear, right? You don't want to make something that's just going to lay in a closet somewhere. Well, I think it actually worked. Simply blessed. I don't know if I got it perfectly straight, but I think that will work. Oh yeah, I think everything is stuck down well now. So that is my hat, and you can see that there's some shiny deals on here. That's fine with me. All of that will rub off eventually. That's just where I've heated it. It's still hot. So I love that. Simply blessed. Alright guys, that is the video for the HTVRONT Heat Press. If you want one of these, I will have the link. And I'm thinking that they gave me a discount code. I'm not sure, but I'll have the link and everything down below where you can go over and make your purchase. We will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.